Well, I mean, it has been an exceptional good year. We are very satisfied with the results. You said it, the 2.2 billion euros is net income is the best result we have had for nearly 15 years. And also the key ratios speak for themselves. It's a 61% cost income ratio, 7.7% ROTE, and a very solid capital ratio of 14.7%. And that leads us to return capital in the size of 1 billion euros to our shareholders. And the outlook for 2024 is also good. We believe that we will increase net income further.
Bettina, there is this eternal debate, which you as the CFO of Commerzbank are right at the centre of, is high interest rates. What are they doing to the underlying economy? What are they doing to delinquencies as such, compared with the boost you're getting from improved net interest margins, net interest income as well? Given the fact that your company, which has had a brilliant rally, and I don't dispute the fact that your numbers are much better than many years previously, the fact is the market's still valuing you at a price to book of under 0.5 as well. There are concerns about the book value from the market on that basis as well. Do you have those concerns given what I was just saying about higher interest rates?
Well, first of all, I mean, we are preparing also for a lower interest rate environment. That's very clear. That's also set in our outlook. So we feel very comfortable operating in an environment where you rather see an interest rate level of 2 to 3%. And secondly, I mean, price to book ratio, you know that there is a very much strong correlation between ROTE and your price to book ratio. And our target price already suggests at 14.6 euros in the moment that there is a lot of potential. And the whole thing is in the next quarters, we further need to deliver the improvement of the result, the improvement of the ROTE. And then you will also see that share price will develop nicely, and then also price to book ratio will increase.
Bettina, it's Annette here in Frankfurt. I have a question on the risk result, as you call it, risk provision. They're actually down. How can that be, given that the economic situation is actually deteriorating? And also, what's the outlook for 2024?
Corporates have proven to be, again, very resilient, same with private clients. So that's the good news. And you see that basically in our risk result. It's a very normal risk result, to say it like that. With 618 million euros, you would say that is something which we expect in normal years. And that one, in our case, 23, was also very much driven from some regulatory adjustments and adjustment, like we introduced a backstop indicator and things like that. So less really coming from the portfolio itself. And we feel also well prepared for 2024, because we have now guidance out of a risk result of less than 800, which is an elevated level for the risk result. And we have, and that nobody should forget, we have a top level adjustment still out there, which we really didn't touch in 23, which is at 453 million euros. So in combination, if really things are moving in 2024, we have something around up to 1.2 billion euros, which we have as buffers. We don't think that we need that, because we really have the feeling that corporates are very resilient. But we also know the numbers, and our economic department is probably a little bit less optimistic than some others, because we still work with the assumption that a German economy will decrease also in 2024, and that we will see a negative GDP growth of minus 0.3%.